Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Kachal Chaudhary, and we have already started with SSB playlist, and this is a new news that I am starting with a new playlist. Okay, before telling you that, I'm just going to tell you the response that I have got during SSB playlist. Initially, this idea came to me like I was sitting and I was thinking, ki, okay, let's do something to help people around, right? And this is the best source how you can help imparting your knowledge to others. Okay, that too without costing anything and without providing lots of fake things ki, okay, do this and you will get into it. I'm just sharing my experience and giving it to you, and you can implement it by modifying certain xyz things, but my opinions, my thoughts will be very, unbiased and very simple, like do this or that. I won't, because I've also not took any coaching, so I won't be telling you lots of things which are coming from coaching. No, it's coming from my natural self, but I felt like, and even during the process you will realize that somewhere here and there I might be right. Uske baad, the response that I got is really positive. Many of the people like you only who might be watching my video have connected to me through emails, and मेरे को लगा जिनको genuine help का needed है, those people who have been continuously mailing me to ask their doubts, I have connected them through WhatsApp, because no doubt WhatsApp is the easiest source to reply in a shortest period of time. And I'm also preparing for something, so keeping that aside and getting time over YouTube, checking emails, and also managing lots of things, it's little thoda sa difficult हो जाता है, but I do manage time, so that's not an issue. उसके अलावा the response is good. People have asked for OIR booklets, and I've tried to share to maximum of them. So it has been really amazing, because I always like interacting with people, and when they ask for things, when they talk in written, it feels amazing that obviously it might help them, that why they might have been asking me. So because of that only, I have decided to start with the second playlist that is for sure going to help you in SSP, but also as a citizen you should be knowing this basic concept. So I do believe that, so I will be imparting that knowledge only in the easiest manner. And the second thing is the frequencies of the videos that will be coming up will be twice a week. So we will be making 2 videos a week. Okay. Third thing is basically these videos that I'm going to make will be from only official sources. So I will be, for example, today's video that I will be making, it is related to a research article that has been published on Indian Defence Research Wing website. तो तुम लोगों को पता चल जाएगा कि genuine source है, and the data I will be telling you is also genuine. Nothing from my side, no. ठीक है, but I will read it for you. I will try to bring crux of it and deliver it to you. ठीक है, so that what it will do for you, it will bring a good knowledge in a shorter period of time. You can 1.5x this video, the speed of the video, and you can just go through the knowledge. This is going to help you in your SSB. अब मेरे को बताने का ज़रूरत तो नहीं है SSB में किस स्टेज पे हेल्प करेगा, GD में हेल्प करेगा, PI में हेल्प करेगा, ठीक है, एंड साइकोलॉजी में ऑब्वियसली इट विल हेल्प यू बिल्डिंग अ पर्सपेक्टिव. And also I forgot to tell you the name of this series that I'm starting is General Awareness and Opinion Building. So rather than a series, it's a program also, you can consider it as, because it's here to help you out with the knowledge and build a perspective in a very simple manner. ठीक है, you can go through many of the videos, study IQ and all, ठीक है, but what they do, they tell in very detail, which is not required for us kind of people. What we require to have a knowledge, a wide knowledge, to whenever something comes up, we will be able to deal with it. एकदम क्रक्स में, एकदम डीप में नहीं जाना है. We need to know logically things कि हाँ इतना is important. We will be connecting the current affairs, static, everything which will be coming up in the paper. So that will be approach, right? And as a citizen, there are some basic things related to economics, related to politics, related to geography, related to defense, which we should be knowing. Okay, here we will be also covering with some government schemes which are really important, which are really good, and we as a common citizen should also know. फिर aspirants वाला तो scenario ही अलग हो गया, उन लोगों को तो obviously they might be knowing. ठीक है, now so let's start with the first video of this series, and I actually want that you also participate over here. You tell me what next video you want, what next content you want. So it will be really an exciting and 2-side process, not only 1-side process, because I to rather than also will be making video, but if you ask me, I will be selecting the topics and we will be going accordingly only. So that will be fun. ठीक है, तो देखो सबसे पहला जो वीडियो है, it is related to defense only. ठीक है, and What in defense? So there has been research article that has been published on Indian Defense Research Wing website on 10th April. If you go on the archives, you can read that article. पहला video देख लेना and then you go through the article. If you want to, else no need, because I will be covering anyway. ठीक है? The theme of the article is IAF, that is Indian Air Force, is in catastrophic scenario. Catastrophic you all know, ठीक है? In a serious scenario. Now this article, ठीक है, इसमें जो डेटा वी विल बी यूजिंग, इट इज फ्रॉम डिफेंस एनालिस्ट हु इज अ लेक्चरर इन येल यूनिवर्सिटी एंड इट इज द टॉप मोस्ट आईवी लीग कॉलेज. So the data will have a specific value. You should not leave that value, right? So I have divided this article into 5 points. Starting from the first one is dwindling squadron strength. What does this dwindling squadron strength mean? That lacking squadron strength. So if you might be knowing that we have a two-front threat, right, from our neighbors. I'm not naming it, you must be knowing. Okay. So if we want to manage that two front threat, we minimum require kitna 42 squadrons. But right now in 2025 we are only having 31 squadrons. Not a good thing. If we want to deal, we need 42 squadrons, but right now we are having only 31 squadrons. कैसे manage होगा? It's next to impossible. Maybe next to possible, but for that we need certain things. I will be discussing it later. Even one of the defense analyst, which is the famous international defense analyst, that person has told ki no, India, if you want to manage with the two front threat, you require something more. That is 60 squadrons. More critical, more difficult, more out of our mind. कैसे? How we are going to do that? It's very tough. दूसरा पॉइंट इज आउटडेटेड एयरक्राफ्ट्स. आजकल न्यूज तो आ ही रहा है, जामनगर इंसिडेंट, मेनी ऑफ द इंसिडेंट, ट्रेनिंग एयरक्राफ्ट, लॉट्स, ठीक है. जैगुआर हैज बीन इन न्यूज रिसेंटली. तो आउटडेटेड एयरक्राफ्ट्स मीन्स टेक्नोलॉजी हैज बीन नॉट इम्प्रोवाइज्ड, मॉडर्नाइजेशन हैज स्टॉल्ड इन इंडिया. व्हाई? वेयर इज द डिफेंस बजट? वी डोंट नो. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग अप टू द पॉइंट, how it has been installed, what do we mean by outdated aircraft. So देखो, out of 31 squadrons, in 2 of these squadrons we are having MiG-21 and that has been outdated and we just require MiG-21 to deal with the numbers कि हाँ चलो numbers के लिए we are having this aircraft in these 2 squadrons, this much aircraft just to meet that number, not workable. दूसरा Jaguar. When we talk about Jaguar, many of the countries where manufacturing has been happening, they have already decommissioned Jaguar. We don't need it. We require new aircrafts, and here in India we are using it. And Jaguar has not been away from us. It has been in news recently, and it has been in news every 2 to 3 years related to some wrong things. Still we are using it. We are risking the lives of the fighter pilots who are flying it. Still we are going with the same conditions. Where is the budget? Where is the money? Where is the modernization of aircrafts? What's going on? That is the scenario that comes up in our mind. उसके अलावा when we talk about outdated aircraft, so if we compare it with our neighboring countries, so when we compare it with the China ने 6th generation jet prototype it has produced in just अभी December 2024 में. And no one is away from knowing कि चाइना और पाकिस्तान का proximity has developed like to the next level, है ना. Even many of the defense equipments of Pakistan are imported from China only, and we all know about the advancement of China. And here in India we are thinking to have India's 5th generation AMCA, Advanced Modern Compact Aircraft, by 2035 only. So if we compare, we can see what's going on. There is an imbalance, and that imbalance is very significant that you can simply see it through your open eyes. There is no, I could say कि हाँ कुछ अलग हो रहा है. No, it can be seen easily, है ना. तीसरा पॉइंट इज लैक ऑफ क्रिटिकल फोर्स मल्टीप्लायर. व्हाट इज क्रिटिकल फोर्स मल्टीप्लायर? नाम समझ में आ रहा है. क्रिटिकल, इंपॉर्टेंट, फोर्स मल्टीप्लायर, समथिंग विच इज इंक्रीजिंग द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ समथिंग. दैट्स ऑल. अब इसमें होता क्या है, देखो फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज एन एयरक्राफ्ट विच हैज बीन फ्लाइंग एंड वी नीड टू इंक्रीज द टारगेट ऑफ दैट एयरक्राफ्ट टिल, अच्छा अभी तक you went to this point, now you have to push for more. Now what we will be doing when the aircraft will be flying, we will be sending some एयर रिफ्यूलिंग टैंक्स. व्हाट इज एरियल रिफ्यूलिंग टैंक्स? बेसिकली होता है कि व्हेन द एयरक्राफ्ट इज इन एयर ओनली, वी रिफ्यूल इट सो दैट इट कैन इंक्रीज इट्स एफिशिएंसी विद दैट नंबर ऑफ एयरक्राफ्ट्स ओनली. तो हो सकता है तुम्हारे पास लिमिटेड एयरक्राफ्ट हो, बट यू कैन इंक्रीज योर एफिशिएंसी बाय एरियल रिफ्यूलिंग टैंक्स. उसके अलावा वी हैव एरियल अर्ली वार्निंग एंड कंट्रोल सिस्टम, AWACS. ठीक है, दैट इज मेनली एसोसिएटेड विद द कंट्रोल एंड वार्निंग सिस्टम ओनली. उसके बाद देखो वी हैव ऑल्सो नो दिस ड्रोन्स वाला पार्ट है ना, फॉर सर्विलियंस वी रिक्वायर. उसके अलावा ISR है. ISR बोले तो AI, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. ठीक है, सर्विलेंस एंड रिकन्सेंस. अब देखो इसमें क्या होता है, इफ यू माइट हैव गॉन थ्रू द न्यूज, म्यांमार में कोई कैलामिटी आया एंड नाउ वी हैव इंडियन एयरफोर्स एज यूजुअल, वी हैव सेंड द ह्यूमैनिटेरियन हेल्प. ठीक है, सो वी हैव सेंड देम एड, मेडिकल हेल्प एंड ऑल थिंग्स थ्रू एयरक्राफ्ट. नाउ दे हैव फेस सम व्हिच इज वी कॉल एज GPS spoofing. ठीक है, geographical positioning system spoofing, where the navigation has been lost by the aircraft and they have somehow managed and reached to the point. So this is also happening, and this is also, you know, अब सिर्फ ट्रेडिशनल वे में वॉरफेयर्स नहीं होता है. Now the things have turned to cyber attacks using AI, Google GPS spoofing and all stuff. So now the way of warfare has also changed. So things have really emerged very differently. So that's the thing. Now personnel shortage, or I just combine it with the systematic policy failure. देखो पहले let's come up to the personnel shortage. What do this mean? I am here quoting CAG report. ठीक है, CAG का रिपोर्ट था कि देखो क्या हुआ इन फ्रॉम 2015 एंड 2021 वी कंपेयर. 2015 में वी वर लैक बाय 486 air pilot shortages, but in 2021 we are short by 600 pilots. It's a really alarming situation भाई. 2015 में we were short by 486. Now in 2021 we are short by 600 pilots. That's already an alarming situation. तो मान लो अगर एनुअल में रिक्रूटमेंट हो रहा है तो एनुअली वी आर शॉर्ट बाय 22 ऑन एन एवरेज 2270 पायलट्स. इस शॉर्ट को कंबाइन करके अभी जो हमारा पॉलिसी आया अग्निवीर स्कीम, ठीक है, अग्निपथ स्कीम दैट हैज बीन केम अप इन 2021, उसने क्या किया? इट हैज रेज्ड अनदर कंसर्न. 4 ईयर के लिए पीपल विल बी ट्रेनिंग. ठीक है, आफ्टर ट्रेनिंग 25% विल बी एब्सॉर्ब, एंड दोस 75% ऑफ द पीपल हु हैव बीन ट्रेन्ड दे विल बी लीविंग, दे विल बी एग्जिटिंग फ्रॉम देयर. तो इसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है? द पीपल विच वी हैव स्पेंड लॉट्स ऑफ एफर्ट्स ऑन देम, वी मेड देम combat ready, we will be losing them. And even in the news when this Agnipath scheme has came up, so much of the IAF officers and Navy officer have put in concern over it कि there is something gadbad, like it is going to cause problems in long term. ठीक है, but still it implemented due to XYZ reason. ठीक है, but this is the concern which is happening and we have to deal with it very seriously. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ये है, इफ यू सी दिस शॉर्टेज ना, सब कुछ कंबाइन होते हुए, राइट, दिस इज अ पॉलिसी एंड देन वी ऑलरेडी वर शॉर्ट ऑफ पर्सनल्स एंड अगेन इन 2021 इट हैज इंक्रीज्ड अप. तो अब कैसे मैनेज होगा? दैट इज द क्वेश्चन, है ना. लेकिन AP सिंह, एयर चीफ मार्शल, he have came to the news channel twice, thrice, and he have mentioned it very specifically that yeah, we are short of pilots. We need to fill this shortage. We need to manage up to the target. ठीक है, efficiency of Indian Air Force, no doubt we all have seen it through my heart also. ठीक है, I am very inspired through IAF also. We all are, right, and even we are preparing for the defense forces only, so we must be. But these are the critical things which we need to examine on, without taking this side or that side. We need to examine it and we need to accept it that yes, there are some points which we need to improve for sure. ठीक है, however we have been putting lots of efforts. उसके अलावा पता है क्या है? The most important thing I do feel is budget oriented. ठीक है, budget has been shrinking. ठीक है, from 2011 the budget, if we talk about, it has been shrinking in defense sector, and maximum of the, अगर for example 100 मान लो budget है, तो उसमें से more than around 80 to 85% of the budget just go to pay the salaries and pensions of the officers and the people working. ठीक है, when we have to deal with that also, and then we have to put part on the modernization also. We have to push ourselves there also. तो कहीं ना कहीं तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज होगा ही. either you compromise over here, either you compromise in the modernization also. ठीक है, कंपनसेशन होता है, बहुत सारा चीजें होता है. ठीक है, when you talk about the ground level, ठीक है, we are not talking to reduce that कि उसको कम कर दो या खत्म कर दो. No, if someone is serving the nation, they must be needing some good things. Obviously they should be, bhai, है ना. But at the cost of modernization. Modernization is much needed if we talk about. ठीक है, so that's the case. So that's all from my end. If you have any doubts, just drop me it. You can put email, you can put comment, anything, whatever comforts you the most. So I wish this might have helped you and it might have give you a perspective. So that's all from my end. और उसके अलावा for the next video you can just comment down. So that's all guys. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.